The life of ants is fascinating and organized within a structured social system. Ants are eusocial insects, meaning they live in highly organized colonies with specific roles for each individual. Here's an overview of the life of ants within a colony. 1. Queen ant. The colony typically begins with a single queen ant. The queen's primary function is to lay eggs. She can live for several years and produce thousands to millions of eggs during her lifetime. 2. Worker ants. Worker ants are females who do not reproduce. They are responsible for various tasks within the colony, such as foraging for food, caring for the young, and defending the nest. Worker ants can have different roles, including foragers, nurses, and soldiers, depending on their age and the needs of the colony. 3. Male ants. Male ants have a sole purpose: to mate with the queen. They have a short lifespan and usually die shortly after mating. 4. Eggs and larvae. Ant colonies consist of eggs, larvae, and pupae at different stages of development. Worker ants care for the eggs and larvae, feeding them and maintaining the nest. 5. Pupation. Ant larvae eventually pupate, undergoing metamorphosis into adult ants. This process varies depending on the ant species. 6. Life cycles. The life cycle of worker ants can vary in length, depending on factors like ant species and environmental conditions. Worker ants may live from a few weeks to several months, but the queen can live for several years. 7. Nesting and foraging. Ants build nests that vary in complexity, from simple underground chambers to elaborate mounds. Worker ants forage for food, which can include nectar, insects, seeds, or other organic materials. 8. Division of labor. Ant colonies are highly efficient due to a division of labor. Different ants perform specific tasks to ensure the colony's survival and growth. 9. Communication. Ants communicate through a variety of methods, including chemical pheromones and tactile signals, to coordinate their activities. 10. Colony growth. Ant colonies can grow in size over time, often influenced by the availability of resources and environmental conditions. Ants are among the most successful and numerous insects on Earth, in part due to their complex social structure and cooperation within colonies. Different species of ants exhibit various behaviors and adaptations that allow them to thrive in a wide range of ecosystems.